What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another stock market recap. We had a volatile, historic week that's forever going to be remembered. This week absolutely changed the whole perspective of the stock market. So many new traders. Welcome. If you got started investing, trading in the stock market today, you joined at a very epic moment in time. As for some plays, today we're going to be recapping our plays and what I'm expecting for next week, the support and resistance levels for the stocks we're watching, and hopefully we have a push on Monday. There's still a lot of questions on brokerages such as Robinhood, which have restricted some shares. Apparently yesterday, before we swung some shares of Gamestop and AMC, after hours, they restricted slightly some people's ability to purchase GameStop or AMC, hence why it moved the pre-market and gapped up. But there is still people not able to buy. If you guys check out our link below on Discord, check it out. It's completely free. Come chat with us. There's still some people not being able to trade. You have a ton of other people moving their money out that are going to be putting it in new brokers. And overall, the weekend, there's still more news to come. It's barely Friday. The market just closed 2 hours ago. So there's going to be news definitely that's going to come out over the weekend that's going to affect stocks next week. So make sure you guys leave a like on the video, leave a comment with what you're holding, what stocks you're buying, the amount of shares, and your price. I want to know that as well. And check out the link below for our free Discord. GameStop, I did not have any shares on this one right now. We did trade this one up today, 261 profit. On the day, we're up 699. This one I'm looking to get in right around 250. I missed this dip here at 250. Congrats to those of you guys that bought. I missed just because I was driving. I didn't want to buy when I was on my phone. But that is a clear level of support. Another one is right around the $200 mark. Hopefully we don't test that $200 mark. Some clear resistance is the 350s, that $half mark here at 350. So if we do break above 350, which I think hopefully we gap up, meaning we open up pre-market above 350 on Monday, we are going to definitely see some resistance here at 400. You can see on Thursday, that's the level we cracked down under. This did not hold above 400. And on Wednesday, we were right around 380, so I'd call that 400 resistance. And GameStop, to me, is the granddaddy of hype and momentum stocks right now that is completely trending. It's trending alongside AMC. I'll talk about Dogecoin right now as well. AMC is obviously the other play that I'm watching. These two are probably my favorite stocks right now, apart from Tesla, which is my usual day trade. But we also made money on that one. We'll cover that right now. But my focus is primarily on AMC and GameStop. This one we bought 10 shares. I'm going to add more if we dip down to around 11. This is, again, the same time GameStop dip. I was not able to buy. I was driving. So I'm going to wait to see if I can add some more shares right around 11. If we dip to 11, if GameStop gaps up pre-market on Monday, AMC is most likely to follow. These stocks have been moving hand in hand. They're literally like they're moving together. That's the craziest part to me, especially since so many people are watching these stocks and they're trending together. There's a lot of message boards on AMC as well. So if this one gaps up pre-market, if GameStop gaps up pre-market, AMC is most likely to follow, and it'll probably be at $15. So even yesterday when we had some shares, what did we buy in at yesterday? We bought in like at 10 something. It was already at pre-market right around 14 something. So hopefully I'm expecting another gap up. Naked is another one you guys are also watching. I bought 10 shares as well. If we dip down to $1, the $1 mark, I'm going to add some more there. This one I'm not too worried about. I know this one's also questionable on the short float, that we expect another similar move to GameStop. So I'm going to hold this one, possibly add more shares on the dip if we dip. So I'm not too worried about this one. Sndl. If you guys are a long-time follower of my channel, you guys know we've been trading this one down to the 50 cents. We had some shares around 48, 55 cents, and then we sold as it started dipping, and out of nowhere it started spiking. So here I am buying 25 shares at 79 cents. Why 25 shares? I'll add more. I'll add probably 500 shares if we dip down to 50 cents, which happens to be the support. And the reason I'm waiting is because if we look at the 4-hour, Sndl does not hold. It doesn't hold its runs. You see the spikes? It pulls back. So I'm patiently waiting for a pullback. Other cannabis stocks that are on watch, Aurora, ACB. This one also had a spike here. Hexo is another one. Tilray, APHA is another one. So watch these cannabis stocks for a long-term play. Also, we're watching some energy. FCell, PLUG on the back burner. Watch this. Tesla, my go-to stock. This one we did trade today as well. Very, very random. I didn't have my attention, but here we have some classic textbook ABCD type descending triangle. You see here the shaded gray area are the lower lows. This is completely bearish. And if you're watching the overall market, you guys know, take a look. We were pretty much red. This isn't it. Let me see. Visualize. This is the economic calendar. We were pretty much red, guys. So on days like these, I like to trade a little lighter and not as aggressive. And /NQ, you can see we're pulling back. We pretty much wiped out the entire gains here, and we're back at the support level. So it wasn't too strong. So Tesla followed along, and we pulled back from the highs of 900 here before earnings. So this one, I still think Tesla could come down a bit Monday. I'm going to be patient, but we did manage to buy here at this panic. We bought 40 shares, I believe, at 787. I didn't even have the lowest price at 780. I had a pretty, not the best average price, but we did manage to lock in some profits. I'm not holding any Tesla. I'm waiting for a bigger pullback on Monday. So those are the stocks that I'm watching, guys. Oh, as for Dogecoin, we also bought some. Get blockchain if you're trying to buy really fast. And get approved really quick. Blockchain is where you get approved really fast. I'm still getting approved for Binance.us, and I still haven't got it. So overall, I think Doge could continue. It's number one trending on Twitter. Over the weekend, when the stock market is closing, you're not able to trade stocks. I think people are going to flock to that. So that's my ideology. I'm willing to risk a couple bucks on it. Nothing too crazy, just going along with the hype, honestly, guys. The volatility this week has been insane. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm going to go live in the Discord right now. Just to talk to you guys, talk some stocks, answer some questions. I'll see you guys on there, first thing down below. And yeah, guys, I'll see you there. Take care.